Welcome to Speakeasy English. Never give up on learning. Maria had always wanted to learn English. Growing up, she loved watching English movies and listening to songs. But she struggled to understand the language. She knew that learning English would open up many opportunities for her. Better jobs, travel, and the chance to communicate with people from all over the world. But every time she tried to study, it seemed too hard. At school, Maria wasn't confident. She found it difficult to pronounce words correctly. And sometimes she didn't understand what her teacher was saying. Her classmates seemed to pick up the language quickly. But for Maria, it felt like an uphill battle. There were times she wanted to quit. Maybe I'm just not good at languages, she thought. One day, Maria's teacher noticed her frustration and gave her some advice. Learning a new language is like planting a tree, the teacher said. It takes time, patience, and care. If you keep watering the tree, one day it will grow strong. The same goes for learning English. If you keep practicing, you will improve. Maria took her teacher's words to heart. Instead of focusing on how far she had to go, she decided to celebrate small victories. Every day, she spent 15 minutes practicing English. Whether it was reading a short article, listening to a podcast, or writing in a journal. Slowly but surely, she started to improve. At first, it was just little things. Being able to introduce herself, understanding a few more words in songs, and recognizing simple phrases in movies. But as time went on, Maria's confidence grew. She started having short conversations in English with her friends, and even joined an online group to practice speaking. There were still moments when Maria made mistakes. Sometimes she mispronounced words, and other times she got confused with grammar. But instead of feeling embarrassed, she reminded herself that every mistake was part of the learning process. With each mistake, she learned something new. After a year of consistent practice, Maria could hardly believe how far she had come. She could now hold conversations in English, watch movies without subtitles, and even write short stories. Her dream of speaking English fluently was finally becoming a reality. Maria realized that learning a language wasn't about being perfect from the start. It was about perseverance. She had faced many challenges, but she never gave up. And because of her determination, she achieved her goal. Moral: learning something new takes time and patience. You will make mistakes along the way, but if you never give up, you will succeed. This story is a reminder for English learners that the journey might be difficult, that persistence is the key to success. They can achieve their goals in learning the language by practicing a little every day and not being afraid of mistakes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.